Hello and welcome in another video. This time it's not about cars. As you probably know, collecting cars is not only about four wheels. It's also accessories and other stuff that is connected with having a lot of cars. Anyway, so this time I wanted to show you something special, in my opinion at least. As some of you know, it's a half century since the Porsche released 911 Turbo. That's very famous supercar, and because of this anniversary, Porsche came up with idea. Let's make something special, and they presented a boots made by Puma and connected with Polish game Cyberpunk 2077. As you might expect, it's not bugged as the game. I think it will be a great stuff. I just pick it up and I will be opening it with you to show you what is inside. And let's get going. So here it is, the stuff. As you can see, the box is quite large for a shoes. You'll see what is inside. I just pick it up from Porsche dealership. You can only buy it through Porsche dealership. And it's only 911 pieces of those shoes. So yeah, it will be quite rare, I think. So what we have, as you can see, Cyberpunk themed box. What we have here, oh, no fear. Yeah, no fear, we will open it. So let's take it out. Yeah, okay. And what we have here? We've got a letter of some sort. Okay, let's open it. Let's see what is inside. Oh, come on. Yeah, we are in. And what we have here? Oh, it's probably a message from V. As you can see, yeah, interesting stuff for people who played the game. They will know what is it. I will translate it and show it for you on the screen, so you can pause and read it. It's quite nice. What we have else there? Okay, these are the stickers, also themed with a game, samurai, etc. Okay, we'll leave it here. And the big box. For sure there are shoes, but I don't know why it's so big. Oh, right now we know. Okay, put it in this way. And we've got a bag. Nice bag. Porsche Turbo theme, of course. Here we have something to hang it. We've got clips, probably for the stripe, maybe. Yeah, Puma branding. Yeah, 911 on one of the sides. So let's open it. Let's see what is inside. Just take a look how much time it takes before we will go to the shoes. It should be only shoes as far as I knew, but okay. Here they are, the shoes. In the green color, probably a hallmark of Johnny Silverhand 911, which is in the game together with 911 Turbo Cabrio. So stitch leather, samurai logo in the back, Porsche stamp on the leather at the rear. On the inner side, we've got the Porsche 911 Turbo limited edition. So we know that we've got the limited edition. And the shoes looks quite nice. I quite fancy them. What's more? Oh, and another emblem, 911 Turbo 50-year anniversary. Yeah, as you can see right here. Nice touch. What's what's inside? Inside we've got also a 911. Yeah, nice. Okay, and that's it. Or no, what is it? Ah, okay. You got some accessories. You can change the color. You got green, black is the factory one. Oh, and there is one more. Okay, so we can have white, green, or black as we wish. Okay, quite nice stuff. Nice, that's it. That's how it looks like. I think it's a very good idea for somebody who likes Porsches, who has a Porsche. I think it's a must-have. And for people who like the game. Yeah, you will ask how much it costs. I think it's not so expensive. It's about 220 euros about. So it's not so much. I think the normal Puma shoes cost about 150. So, you know, the premium for the additives, for the connection with the Cyberpunk and the anniversary of 911, it's really something I think that is worth to pay for. Okay, if you like the video, click like, subscribe, and wait for more content. Of course, this time only connected with cars. See ya, bye.